It's all lemons and limes on my channel today. So today I'm chalking with a couple products that have come back for a limited time on my chalk site. There's the lemon slim cuts along with the matching transfer and the assorted ribbons. The slim cuts, there's a set of 14. It comes with 7 of the full-size lemons, 6 of the little slices, and then the twine, and then the ribbons. There's 10 pieces in there. So once I cut apart all of my transfers, mark the back, I'm going to grab out my mat to chalk on to make sure that I don't get any chalk paste on my desk. And I'm just going to be chalking a few of these pieces. I'm not going to be doing the entire set. I'm going to save those for another project. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be using Meadow, Wild Lime, and Sunnyside chalk pastes. And you'll see here I'm going to actually use these transfers a few different times without washing them in between. You can do that. You just got to be a little careful. And the second lemon transfer, you'll see I have a little bit of trouble figuring out which way this goes. I don't know what my brain was not working when I was chalking these, but I think I was chalking the wrong side because there's 2 transfers for each side with the lemon and the leaves. And you'll see later in the video when I figure out I can't use the leaves, the one transfer, because it's for the other side when you flip it over. So these are double-sided, so you can chalk on both sides. So that gives you twice as many options in decorating and creating. So I'm just going to go ahead and chalk all of these lemons. And once I do that, I'm going to go back and do the lemon slices, or in a minute, you'll see lime slices. So I'm going to set my lemons aside to dry, and I'm going to work on my little lime slices. Now for these, I'm actually going to use 2 different color chalk pastes. I'm going to use Wild Lime and Meadow, and I'm going to use the Wild Lime in the center and then the Meadow along the outside. And I'm just going to kind of do a little ombre or blending with those 2 colors. I'm not being exact. I'm just kind of going around the outside with the Meadow and then blending it into the Wild Lime. And I'm going to do this on all 3. I'm not going to wash my transfer in between. You can see I'm just going to pull that right up. Oh, that's so cute. And then I'm going to place it on my next transfer, and I'm going to do all 3 of them with this same technique. And now while my little lime slices are drying, I'm going to go back with my lemons and add the little leaves on here. And again, I'm sticking with that Meadow color, and you'll see here in just a second, I'm going to chalk a couple of these, and then I grabbed the other leaves and realized that that's not going to work because that is for the opposite side of the lemons, which again, it's great that these are double-sided so you can have double the projects on your surfaces. So I'm going to save those for another project. now that all of my lemons and limes have been chalked and they're dry, I'm going to take that cute little Hello Sunshine saying and chalk that in black chalk paste. I just pressed it lightly on my surface because I don't want to mess up or pull up any extra chalk paste that is on my lemon. So again, once those are all dry, I'm going to pull out my ribbon, and you can see there's 5 different kinds of ribbons in here. I love that thick, that real wide ribbon, but I decided I'm going to save some of those for different projects. So I'm just going to use the green plaid and then the yellow pom-pom trim, which I will put on in just a minute. But the first thing I'm going to do is string my lemons and limes onto the twine that does come with the slim cuts, and then I'm going to add the ribbon. So like I said, I decided to just stick with the green plaid and the yellow pom-pom ribbon, and each one of these comes with 2 pieces of each type of ribbon, and I actually cut one of those in half, so I'll actually have twice as much ribbon to use on projects. I didn't feel that I needed ribbon that was quite that long, so I tied a loop in my twine on the end. I always do that so I have some way of hanging my garland, and then I also added a little beige ribbon from my stash on there. I like the 3 of those together, so I'm just going to tie those on both ends of my garland. The ribbon looks so cute on my garland. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you'd like to see more, be sure you like and subscribe to see more videos. And thanks for watching.